Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser user interface assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs on the bottom to release the dispenser user interface assembly. Disconnect the 3 wire connectors to fully release the old assembly. Install the new assembly by first connecting the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Insert the upper tabs into the slots in the housing and snap the assembly into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.